to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to week 5 of the Fly Defined Jump Rope Hit workout series, people. If you've been following along on this journey at the beginning of 2020, you would know that I'm usually with my guy Joey Scott, who would pop up here, we would bounce off each other. He's my strength and conditioning coach, and he's been nailing the body weight element of this workout. Unfortunately, Joey has got a bad virus, a flu, and he's unable to make this week. And we had actually agreed only to do 4 episodes together. So if you guys are missing Joey and would like him to come back, just drop him a little comment down below. And I know he's gonna read these comments and watch this video, so try and bring him back for me, guys. But I have got an ultimate follow along 12-minute workout. If you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, advanced, this will test every single level. Remember, people, man, you can do all the workouts you want in the world, you can burn as many calories as you want in the world, but if your diet is not clean, you're not gonna get the results that you want. For those beginners out there, just smash that subscribe button, click it, do whatever you want with it, and go onto my website and cop the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. This is a Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the money rope, guys. This literally needs no introduction these days, but just use YouTube 10 for 10% discount to get flying boss straight away. So guys, we're gonna get straight into this workout in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Right guys, you know the drill. I've got my interval timer right here. We're gonna do 1 minute warm up and then we're gonna get straight into this workout. You're probably gonna hear me like just literally dying, but just stick with it, stick with me, and we're gonna get through this together, right? So let's do this 1 minute warm up, guys. As usual with the warm-ups, what we love to do on this channel is drop the rope. No, we love to do the one-arm swings, yeah? So really nice and smooth. Rope in your stronger arm. You can change it. If you're ambidextrous, you can get real nice with it. Get the nice rhythm, tempo, balance. We're just trying to get the blood moving, circulating around the body with this. And the reason why I love this so much, guys, is it gets that rhythm, it gets your body just in sync. I love to use this example, but you don't want to go into skipping cold, not warm. Just throwing a few high knees. I just like to take this gently, guys. If you want to use the last 10 seconds, do a little bit of jumping jacks. There you go. That is the minute of warm up. We're gonna take a 30-second break. I'm using a different kind of microphone today, right? And it's clipped to me. And what I'm hoping is not gonna happen, which is probably already happening right now, is probably rustling on my clothes. And that's gonna be annoying. We're getting into last few seconds. We're gonna go into a run skip now, guys, yeah? So I'm gonna start you off early. That's the run skip. But we're gonna add high knee to it, okay? Get those knees up. You're gonna hear my breathing nice and clearly today. Breathing in through my nose, out through my mouth. You really wanna sort of drive these knees up. You wanna feel like this will be my normal run if I was just doing a run skip. Notice how my knees are over my kind of toes, but here, I'm really driving them to sort of the sky right now. If you're indoors, it'll be the ceiling. You notice as I switch from the angles, I'm probably gonna do the edit with the angles as usual. Notice how the heels are always off the floor. You're not flat. This is really flat. I see a lot of people skipping like this. That's super bad technique. Keep going, people, keep going. 7 seconds left. The next exercise is gonna be a lunge, forward lunge, all right? Here we go in 2, 1. So forward lunge, 1. We stick to both, to one side even first, and then we switch. With this move, really focusing my balance, my core. What I'm trying to do as well is when I come up, really trying to focus on the quad. I'm gonna change sides. Today's workout's gonna be slightly different, guys. Normally we have 2 bodyweight exercises, but I want you guys to focus a little bit more on the legs. So we're gonna do a minute of this. Just keep following along. So it's 30 seconds each side. There you go, 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, good. 30 seconds now. Oh, I want you guys to expand those lungs, get the air in to the lungs again. In through the nose, out through the mouth. The next move we're gonna do, guys, is a high knees with cross, okay? Got 10 seconds left. I'm gonna get you guys started to show you what it looks like. But the high knees with cross, for the beginners out there, that's a high knee with cross, okay? Now, if you find it difficult and you're tripping or you're not able to kind of do a couple at a time, what I want you to do, right, is I just want you to cross once and go back to your skip. Cross once, go back to the other skip. Then you just need to start to practice on the other leg, all right? So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to boxer step. You don't have to try and do these continuously like this. This is a very difficult move. Like, it looks easier than it is, especially for someone who's struggles with their coordination and kind of getting these small tricks together. You know, if you're someone who could do the cross, all you're trying to do is just time that knee coming up. So imagine you could do this all day. Remember, if you trip, don't worry about it. Imagine you could do this all day and wait to start talking to your legs. Right knee, left knee, right knee, left knee. All right, we're gonna go straight into squats, guys. A good solid minute of squats. As I'm coming up, I'm squeezing my glutes. Feeling really strong and powerful today, peeps. Now, I've had a few big injuries on my hips, so I've never been able to go too low. I don't even have proper cartilage in my hip joints. It's mad, but that's another story. But what I try to tend to do, try and get at least parallel, try and get my bum as low as I can. But when I come up, really engaging the quads, the glutes, a little thrust at the top. Good. Keep going, peeps. 5 seconds left coming up. 4, 3, 2, and that's time. 30 seconds now, rest. Grab yourself some water. I've got my water here. Woo. So a little bit changed from the usual format. Normally we do 2 bodyweight exercises, so we're just going to 1 now. I want to focus on your legs for the first bit of this exercise. Okay, we're now going to go to run double unders, and we're going to mix that with plank get-ups. Right, let's go, guys, straight in. Okay, run double unders. They're not easy, okay? Double, run. Double, run. Now, I would probably count this as an intermediate trick or move. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial. If you find it difficult, when you get into a run, you double, land, and then just start carry on running. So double, land, run. Maybe take it slowly, stop, double. You wanna land on one leg so you can start your double correctly. You wanna be super light on your feet, okay? This is not easy by any means. Last few seconds, I'm gonna show you the blank get up. Keep doing that for a few more seconds, peeps. You see the time in the corner. Plank get ups now. Plank position. And you just get up from there, this position to this position. So 1, 2, good. That's the one. Alternate arms as you get up. So get up with the left and get up with the right. Like I said, I hope you can hear me. Microphone is right up close. I just don't want it to be muffled. A few more seconds, guys. Keep pushing. Let's go. There you go. 30 seconds break. Let's keep that going now, guys. Good intensity. Straight up hit. We're then gonna go with a front straddle with mountain climbers. Not easy. The front straddle is a killer for those calf muscles. It's not a joke. I know I'm doing this whilst I'm talking. Bad idea. Okay, front straddle, one of my favorite moves. Now, the few variations you can do with this. You can go short front straddle, which is just tiny ones, or make it a little bit more tougher. And it becomes a mini kind of lunge. Lunge. Whew. This one is a burner. People look at this move and I can do this for days. Mate, when you've got everything working correctly with the form, this one is a killer. Keep that going, people, keep that going. Last few seconds, we're gonna go into press ups. Let's go. If you're a beginner out there, you could go onto your knees if you want, but if you do this method, I want you to go as low as you can forward, and I want you to get the arms, elbows going backwards. So not out like this, elbows going back. That way you're gonna work your triceps and your chest. Otherwise, stick to good form. 20 seconds. Got this, guys. A few more seconds. 5 more. 1 more. Damn, that was tough. Okay, doing really well, guys. Really well. I did say we were going to do mountain climbers. That was for cycle 5. My apologies. Last cycle is freestyle with mountain climbers. Here we go, guys. These rest periods are no joke. So freestyle. Now, you can go crazy. At this moment in time, I mean, my calves have been asking me to have a break for about 3 weeks now. I've been suffering from a little bit of a fatigue calf, but gotta look after that. But it's not gonna stop me. Yeah, now they're burning. That's a bad idea, Rush. Now, if you ever do get tired, like I am now, you can go to a nice little chilled one arm swing. And guys, it's all good to take a break, but just keep the rope moving at least if you're doing this. It's nice. A few seconds of mountain climbers. Now, you could do it slow, really slow, little mini ones. Whatever you tend to do, make sure you keep breathing. Now I know some people, they like to touch the knee with the elbows. I'm slowing down here. Last 25. Let's go. Let's go. You're with me here, guys. Last 20, push. Last 10. Let's go, boys and girls. I always just think boys are watching my channel. It's funny. I know the ladies are keeping it real. And that is it. That is it, peeps. Not gonna lie, I already know how this outro is gonna sound. Guys, I want you to keep following this workout. Believe me, trust me, get your diet in check. Get this done 3 to 4 times minimum a week and you will start seeing results. Since I started this weekly workout and really cleaned up my diet, I've already lost 6 kgs in the last 4 weeks. Old dude like me, it can be done at any age. However old you are out there, you can learn some skills and get a good workout, good fun workout. My heart rate is mad right now. For people, if you enjoyed that video, please give this a big thumbs up. It will mean so much to me and this channel, and it will let me know who's watching. Comment down below for your signed rope giveaway entry. I've been giving away a ton of signed ropes this year. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna check you in that next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.